Alright, so we're back with the Fortec 1.5. You can see the transformation this went through in the last video. I got some new shocks and springs and wheels. So I'll go ahead and build the shocks, install those and the wheels, get it to be a roller. Still gotta clean the engine and install that. And I have this old Protoform Pontiac G6 body, so let's see about getting that working for it. These old bodies are kind of funny at the wheel wells, so I'll have to play around with that, but should be pretty cool at the end. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and build these and get this cleaned off. Alright, so because I'm right-handed, I spilled a little on the first shock, but that's about right, just because I know some's gonna spill out because of the, I guess you say, bladder. So I spilled a little oil here. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this to all the shocks. It's easier, obviously, with two hands. And let the bubbles pop, get the air out of it. And then while that's happening, I'll clean the engine. Then I should be able to assemble the shocks and install them with the wheels. And that'll be good. I went ahead and cleaned the engine. Got the exterior as clean as I could with it assembled. And then I was able to disassemble it further. I mean, you can just see how really grimy it is. So yeah, gotta finish cleaning that. Should clean up quite nice, actually. But I went ahead and got the shocks together and got the wheels on it. So that looks good. I'm definitely gonna have to put some more spacers on the shocks here. I just went with the medium one. I'll probably have to go with the tall one. These are just, I think it's gonna bottom out, scratch the chassis more than I'm comfortable with, so change the preload on that, but it's looking good as a roller. Another thing I'm going to have to get is the servo mounts. I'm going to order some RPM servo mounts for the steering servo. And yeah, so we'll get the rest of this engine cleaned up and see what else is needed to finish this car. I know I need another pull start. I used the last 1.5 pull start that I had. I think it was on one of the nitro slashes, but yeah, making some progress here. So we're just waiting for the servo mount for the steering servo and exhaust gasket, and we can go ahead and start installing the rest of these parts and get this thing closer to being ready to run. After I get all the parts installed on the chassis, I'll start working on the body, but we're just waiting on those parts and then we can get that done. Until then.